How to earn money by just watching ads. There are literally thousands of ways to earn money on internet today. While there are countless ways to make bucks online, not all of them will make you wealthy. Yet, many people are surprised to learn that they can make money online by simply watching ads and clicking on them. The concept behind advertising is simple. Businesses pay money to have their ads shown on sites like Google or Facebook, and they hope that people who visit those sites will click on their ads, resulting in the desired action. You probably don't watch television or use social media to check your email, but according to a recent study, an average person saw 6,000 to 10,000 ads while consuming content online for free. Before I move towards the video content, subscribe to my technical solution channel for future updates and press the bell icon. So, why not make money while you're watching videos? Let's understand it. How ads earning work. In addition to generating awareness and driving conversions, ads earn money contain these types. AdSense. AdSense is an advertising network that lets you place ads on your sites. You only have to pay for the number of impressions your ad receives, and it's easy to manage and track. To make money through AdSense, you need to set up a Google account. If you already have one, you're all set. Otherwise, you need to register one by following these steps. 1. Go to Google AdSense homepage, click on Sign Up button. 2. On the next page, follow the on-screen instructions, fill out the required fields. 3. You will be asked to enter your email address and then your preferred password. 4. Enter the CAPTCHA. Next, choose how you want to receive emails. For example, you can check. It is the ad network that Google allows to monetize for websites. The network makes money for advertising impressions and clicks. It is a very easy, simple system that doesn't require much effort. CPA Cost Per Action. This is a model where advertisers pay only when someone takes action after seeing an ad, such as signing up for an email list, filling out a contact form, or downloading a PDF. The volume of internet ads. In 2015, the average American saw 6,824 internet ads in a given month, but the number is likely much higher now. According to a recent study, the average American sees over 12,000 online ads a month, and that's just in their browser. The number of ads that people see on a smartphone is even greater. It means that marketers are seeing a lot of data about the effectiveness of their ad than ever before. How to earn by watching ads. Step 1. First, you need to sign up with any advertising website. There are many websites that allow you to make money from watching ads. Step 2. Observe how their ad system works and take notes. Step 3. Watch the video again to check whether they are legit or not. Step 4. Create an account on a blogging platform. Step 5. Post the article in your blog or create a website. Step 6. Whenever the reader or visitor clicks on the ad, you get paid. Step 7. Collect the money as it reaches the threshold. In addition, let me tell you some of the popular platforms for online money making. Develop an app and connect the AdMob account. It's hard to get started on this project if you don't know how to build apps. The first thing you need to do is choose a platform to develop your app. There are two main options, iOS and Android. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages, but both platforms are fairly easy to pay for in-app ads. Now that you have a plan and a strategy for your app, it's time to develop it. Don't wait until the last minute. Start thinking about your app now, and don't forget to keep track of the progress you are making. You'll need this information later to show your boss and investors that you're on track. Creating AdMob account. The first step to creating an AdMob account is to develop an app. Once you have created the app, you need to connect your AdMob account to it. To connect your AdMob account to your app, open your developer dashboard and select the app you just created. Then click on Settings. In the AdMob account section, enter your AdMob account credentials, your AdMob account email address and password. Click Save Settings. Swagbucks is a reward website that pays its member cash for activities like searching the web and taking surveys. Its members earn points for completing tasks which can exchange for gifts, cards, or PayPal cash. Swagbucks also runs a lot of sweepstakes that pay out cash and prizes. Swagbucks has over 10 million active members and pays out around $50 million in cash prizes and merchandise every year. Quick rewards. Quick Rewards is a web-based service that lets you earn points and cash back on purchases made at any of the participating retailers. Points can be redeemed for gift cards or cash at any of the stores listed on the website. This service is designed to appeal to people who love online shopping but don't have time to devote to tracking down the best deals and coupons. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars ID is a site that makes money by offering its user cashback for shopping online. The main target is busy people who are looking for ways to save money but don't have time to shop around and compare prices. ID is unique because it doesn't sell goods. Instead, it sells points, which it uses to pay user cashback. They don't offer any coupons or rebates, and they only give user cashbacks for purchases for certain shops. Conclusion. In conclusion, if you are looking to start earning points or some extra money, there are many ways you can do it. There are many sites and apps that will pay you to watch videos, take surveys, play games, or even shop for online reviews. I recommended that you explore the following websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Global Test Marketing. I hope that you enjoyed and liked the video. Thanks for watching.